All right, first weld on the frame of the F150. Welded. The crack ran all the way across there, jumped over this hole, came right down into here, around down, and it was kind of big right up in here, real big holes. So I had to do a little filling, a little improvising. And over here, this rivet back in here is broken, so I ran my weld across here. Looks like I got a little bit more to do in there, but I'm just trying to work this in and see what I got. It's looking a little better anyway. There we go. I'm welding this with my Hobart 140. I don't think it's doing a bad job if I was a better welder. But there it is.